Hey YouTube, I'm back again. This has been a long video, so I'm working on a yard machine today. Young lady had it sitting for like 6 years. You know what happened. Gas is sitting there too long, carburetor got clogged. So this one I got now, all apart here. Let me sit it down. As you see, I took the jets out, cleaned it up real good, cause it was pretty much clogged. Little float assembly right here, which I'm putting back together now. Just gonna clamp back into place. But yeah, it was pretty challenging on this one here. Confident he should be good to go here now. Rain trying to fall from me. Pretty much everything you take out of this, man, even though jets, these stuff got jets inside here. You pull it out, the jets be dirty, and a lot of time they keep the lawnmower from cranking real quick. So you ain't gotta worry about it if you take it out. It only goes back in one way, and you get confused, be like, oh man, I don't know how to put that back in there. But see, only go in one way and snatch right back in. The floor assembly got another lead on there. You want to make sure that line up right, so it gets open back and forth like this right here. So inside, make sure it's clean. Throw out a body cleaner, and shit. Make a long story short, let's go put it back together. Make sure you clean the bowl out too. That's what I have to do, but normally put this rubber in there, spray another oil in there. Keep it clean. Some damn little dirt around there, but the more clean it is, the more better it is. Nasty. Had to go dump the gas out, guys.